This mechanic creeper offers a long 40-inch deck with a contoured shape that supports your shoulders and back, so you can slide under a vehicle without feeling cramped or awkward. The integrated padded headrest does a surprisingly good job of keeping your neck comfortable during extended work, which makes a real difference on longer repair sessions. Its sturdy construction and generous weight capacity give it a reassuringly solid feel, yet remains light enough to carry around the garage without effort. 6 smooth rolling swivel casters make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, even on slightly uneven garage floors, so you are not constantly fighting to reposition yourself. Built from impact-resistant molded plastic, it shrugs off typical shop abuse like dropped tools and fluid drips while still being easy to wipe clean. Side trays for small tools and hardware keep fasteners within reach, and the low-profile design lets you work comfortably under vehicles with limited ground clearance.